Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your workout timer on the PunchLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should go to the timer icon down below, which is the first option. And here you can select 3 features of your timer, such as the number of rounds that you want to achieve and the round time in minutes and the rest time. So here you can see the total time calculated down below. And if you are ready to start your workout session, tap on the Let's Start button down below, click on Start, and then you will be able to start your workout. So you're going to see that this is your first round. So if you want to stop it, just press this button, this pause button down below, and here you can select whether you would like to continue, skip, or exit. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.